Welcome to the Chiefs Arena. This is your latest Kaizer Chiefs transfer news as Kaizer Chiefs complete the signing of Asanele Velebai and God's Power Ighodaro. Ime Okon's agent slams kickoff magazine and the interest in Spesihle Ndlovu. We are going to talk about that. Don't forget to like and subscribe. So Kaizer Chiefs have completed the signing of Asanele Diamond Velebai on a free transfer. You can have that, you Spurs, have some of that. Asanele Velebai joins Kaizer Chiefs for free after Cape Town Spurs rejected a 4 million bid from Kaizer Chiefs at the beginning of last season. They were demanding 10 million for a player playing in the National First Division, the Motsepe Foundation Championship. Man, they were trying to bend us over. I'm not a fan of how Kaizer Chiefs do things, in the transfer window, how Kaizer Chiefs don't want to spend money. But man, that was daylight robbery. No player in the Motsepe Foundation Championship can cost over 10 million because they rated him between 8 million to 12.5 million. That's daylight robbery, and now we get him for free. And on the other hand, they are going to the APC Motsepe League. Football gods, I see what you are doing there. This is a great signing. Only 22 years of age. A winger can play on the right, can play on the left. Very, very, very quick. Very skillful. And I think on the wings we only had Lilepo and Pulemodi who were effective, so I think this is a great addition to the team, and he will be on the flight to Netherlands. He will join the rest of the team in the preseason in Netherlands. So Asanele Velebai to Kaizer Chiefs is a done deal. Now let's move to Etiosa God's Power Ighodaro, who is also joining Kaizer Chiefs from Mamelodi Sundowns. His contract is coming to an end at the end of this current month. He is going to join Kaizer Chiefs. He is on the list of the players going to Netherlands for preseason. So Etiosa God's Power Ighodaro to Kaizer Chiefs, it's a done deal. Whether you like him or not, just have to accept he will be a Kaizer Chiefs player next season. We've already discussed Ighodaro. For me, I don't think he's good enough. 5 goals in 24 games. The fact that Mamelodi Sundowns loaned him in 4 different teams. He has never played for Mamelodi Sundowns after he was signed back in 2021. So for me, that's a player who's not good enough. If a player failed to not even break into the starting 11 of Mamelodi Sundowns, to break into the squad, what makes us think he will be good enough for Kaizer Chiefs? 5 goals in 24 games, that's bad, mate. That's bad. But now that he's a Kaizer Chiefs player officially, I have to back him. We have to back him, Let's just hope he proves us wrong, But then, if we are checking from his stats, he's not convincing, mate. It's not convincing, and he's likely going to fail. But, we have to back him. He is our new number 9. So let's see what happens next season. And on the good side, apparently he can be registered as a local player, so meaning he's not going to take the foreign spot. So yeah, Etiosa God's Power Ighodaro to Kaizer Chiefs is also a done deal. Now, let's move to Spesihle Ndlovu. So, according to Unplayable, Kaizer Chiefs are considering signing Spesihle Ndlovu. So, nothing concrete as of now, no talks opened, nothing official. Kaizer Chiefs are just considering signing Spesihle Ndlovu. So, Spesihle Ndlovu, 28 years of age, former Orlando Pirates, former Maritzburg United player. So, when I saw this report, I was like, no. Why would we go for Spesihle Ndlovu? And I did my research. Surprise, surprise. The man is going to be a free agent at the end of this current month. You know what? At this point, just call us free agents FC. It's fine. We'll take it. We will take it, mate. Because the only reason we are going for Spesihle Ndlovu, just like Ighodaro, just like Paseka Mako, just like Chabiso Munyane, is because he's going to be a free agent. We are not going to spend any cent. That's why we are going for him. For me, mate, Spesihle Ndlovu played his best football at Maritzburg United. We didn't sign him. He ended up signing for Orlando Pirates. He went there. He flopped. That's the word. He flopped. He was sent to SuperSport United. So why would we think a player that failed at our rival club is going to thrive at our club? Same as Ighodaro, who failed to break into the Mamelodi Sundowns squad. We think those players are going to thrive at our struggling team. We think those players are going to change fortunes, bring back the glory days, help us compete, improve the team. Why on earth will we think that? Mate, I'm worried. I am worried. And you know, the fact that there are some fans who are standing by this nonsense, who are saying, nah, let's believe in the management. The management knows what they are doing. Mate, do you realize the state we are in? Do you realize the state we are in? We missed out on top 8. 2 consecutive seasons. 10 years, 1 trophy. We went 9 years without a trophy. We are going to play in the CAF Confederations Cup. Nabi's job is on the line. And these are the signings we have to applaud. These are the signings we have to be happy for. But as I've said, nothing concrete for now on Spesihle Ndlovu. We'll see what happens in the upcoming days. Now let's move to Ime Ocon, whose agent has responded to Kickoff's report that he has joined Kaizer Chiefs, and this is what he had to say. I am astounded at the level some publications go in order to get readers, as this story is not true. I can state categorically that Ime Ocon has not signed for any club at this stage in time. Amazing how they write a story like this without even checking their facts first. So Ime Ocon's agent is saying these are fake news. Ime Ocon has not signed for Kaizer Chiefs yet. So as I've said, Kickoff are not always reliable. You know, I mentioned that in my previous video when I spoke about Ime Ocon. But does this mean maybe I'm worried, or I now think Ime Ocon is not going to sign for Kaizer Chiefs or has not signed for Kaizer Chiefs? No. Because of course no agent is going to come out there and speak on a player who is still contracted to a certain club and say, now he's going to join this team. It's unprofessional, you know. So the agent has to keep it as professional as they can, you know. So for me, I am still relaxed on this story, you know. I'll know the fate in the upcoming days, but I'm not shaken about this statement. You know, I will see in the upcoming days, and I still believe Ime Ocon is going to join Kaizer Chiefs. So that's it. Kaizer Chiefs sign Asanele Velebai and Godspower Ighodaro. Kaizer Chiefs considering the signing of Spesihle Ndlovu and Ime Ocon to Kaizer Chiefs may be fake news. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm out.